If last year broke you, this year will build you. The Bible says, "You crown the year with your goodness, and your paths drip with abundance." Psalm 65, verse 11. What tried to break you last year did not defeat you. It prepared you. God is not bringing you into this year empty-handed. He is crowning it with His goodness. Even the hard moments will produce growth, healing, and unexpected blessings. Walk forward in faith. This year will build you. Declare it. This year will build me. Follow Holyflix for daily faith and encouragement.